Airtable tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your browser and open Airtable.com. Log into your account, or if you don't have one, you need to create one first by clicking the Sign Up for Free button on the top right corner. You'll be asked to enter your work email. After entering your email, click the Continue with Email button to proceed. Next, you can enter your full name and create a password. When you're done, click the Sign Up button. After signing up, you'll be asked a few questions such as entering your company name and more. Once you complete these steps, you'll be directed to an AI prompt that was generated based on your responses. Click the Build It button to continue. Now your project will be created automatically based on the information you provided. From here, you can start editing the tasks by clicking on the Expand button next to your campaign name. Start by changing the campaign name, adding start and end date, and any other details. Once all set up, close the setting, and you can do the same thing to other created campaign.